Okay, little experiment. I've noticed it's cutting out as it gets about 20 foot away, so as you can see, working here, I'm just going to leave it going and walk away in front of the camera. What the hell? This is the Hogs Star Wars X-Wing fighter, and it comes in this big box, and you get the X-Wing, which is made of foam. It's really light, and you've got the controller, which looks like this, and the remote control takes 6 batteries. You see this X-Wing, it's got a little plastic wing on the front, and it looks like this. Not quite like this when it's flying though, because you have to take off your cannons, as it says in the manual, in one tiny little line, which I think most people are going to miss, to be honest. What I've found is that the radio signal cuts out as soon as it gets 20 foot away from you. Whether I've got a faulty one or not, I don't know. But basically, I've tried new batteries, brand new batteries, 2 different sets. Maybe, as I said before, I've just got a faulty one though. You never know. But if you've bought one of these, try putting this somewhere, putting throttle, walk away 20 foot, see if the engine's cut out. Yeah, simple test. Obviously, it being an outside flying toy, it's going to need to go further than 20 foot. It says on the box 250 foot, but maybe they put an extra 0 on. Don't know.